Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to use branded surveys. So the first step is to open any browser and search for branded surveys. Then you'll have to simply click on the first link that pops up. Now keep in mind that if you want you can do this on your mobile phone too, but for this tutorial I'm gonna use my computer because it's way easier and it's way better to use this website on your computer. Now, once you click on the first link, you're gonna get redirected here on their official website, where you'll have some information about how this website works and what you can do here. So basically on this website, you can earn money. So this is the easiest way to earn money, which is through surveys. So as you can see, get paid for your opinion with branded surveys. So basically you'll have to answer some questions and then you're gonna earn money. Now, if you scroll down, you can see here, earn cash by completing online surveys. So branded survey is one of the world's leading market research communities, rewarding you for your opinion. Answer a few simple questions about yourself so that we may match your profile to a variety of our surveys. So based on yourself, on the questions you answer, they're gonna offer you some surveys. With some of the surveys, you'll be able to earn a lot of money. Now, as you can see, collecting points for every survey you complete, redeem your points in the form of gift cards or cash via PayPal or branded pay. And as you can see, they offer daily challenges, polls, product and services, and you can earn money. So as you can see here, if you scroll down, you can see that you can withdraw money through your bank account, through Amazon gift cards, PayPal, and directly to your credit card, your Visa credit card. Now, if you click on how it works, you're gonna see here, get paid to take surveys online. And here you can see why take online surveys. So now the first step is to create a profile. During the sign up process, they will ask you a few questions about your life. The more details you provide on your profile, the more surveys they can potentially match you with. So basically, you'll be able to earn more. So here, as you can see, you can find all the details about how this works. So if you want, you can go to their official website and then simply click on how it works. Now, if you want to get started and create your account, you'll have to simply click on sign up, and then you're going to get redirected here, where you'll have to enter your email address and create a password and simply click on sign up. Now, if you want, you can use your Google account or Facebook account to create your account, and it's way easier if you use one of these options. And after you create your account, you're gonna get redirected right here. Now, once you create your account, you'll have to answer these questions. So you'll have to enter your gender, then enter your zip code, and then choose your country, and then enter your birthday. So let me enter my birthday really quickly. And then you'll have to simply click on start earning. And then basically they will redirect you here, where you have to simply agree with the terms of service and then simply submit. And now what you'll have to do is simply go to your dashboard. As you can see here, you'll have some surveys, and here you can see how much you can earn. So as you can see, 15 points, and as you can see the length of the survey. So it's gonna take you 5 minutes to complete this survey here. And as you can see, extra earning opportunities. So if you want to earn extra, you can download their app, or you can invite your friends, and you can see refer your friends and get 50 points the first time they earn a silver badge. And as you can see here, you have the daily poll, and basically you're gonna earn 5 points if you submit this. As you can see, when choosing a spice level, do you usually like your food mild, medium, or hot? So let's say medium spice, and then simply click on submit. And as you can see, now we've just earned 5 points. If you go to my payouts here, you can see that in order to redeem your points, you'll have to earn $5 first, and then here you can choose the payout method. And as you can see, they offer and they suggest bank transfer, and as you can see, it's gonna take 1 business day. And now if you want, you can select other payment methods. As you can see, you have PayPal, you have direct bank transfer, and you have grocery gift cards. Or if you want, you can scroll down and choose, as you can see, based on these categories. You can choose Apple gift cards, you can choose Hulu gift cards, or you can go here through each one of them, and based on your needs, you can choose one of these and then simply select this. And once you reach the threshold of this reward, you'll be able to redeem your points. So now let's go to my dashboard here, and if you want to start earning points, what you'll have to do is simply click on unlock rewards now, and then here you're gonna click on see your ranking, and as you can see here, you can see survey completed, and the more you complete, the more you're gonna earn. And of course, if you level up and answer a lot of surveys, you're gonna get more and more surveys with a higher payout. So as you can see, this one here pays only 50 points, but if you level up, you're gonna get surveys that pays way more. Now let's go to Branded Elite here. You're gonna get some bonus based on how many surveys you just complete. And if you want to complete a survey, you'll have to simply go to my dashboard here, and then simply click on take a survey, and then simply click on take survey. And as you can see, there are 13 questions, and let's start answering some questions. Here, of course, you'll have to enter real answers. The more you answer, the better is, because they'll be able to select you to answer furthermore surveys. But I'm gonna go through each one of them and select random answers. But you'll have to simply make sure that your answers are legit. But here, as I said, I'm gonna enter some random numbers and some random answers just to show you how this works and how easy it is to earn money with branded surveys. So let's choose here, and let's go to the next question. And then here, let's enter YouTube, and then here, choose this one here. And then after you're done, simply click on submit survey, and basically that's what you have to do. And now it's gonna take a little bit to get your points in your account. As you can see, we just earn 5 points from the daily pool. And that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.